What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be doing an unboxing with this cool unboxing knife. To get your own, check the link below. Today's unboxing is from Amain. This is something that I've been wanting to get for a while. I thought I did anyway. Now that I got it, kind of scratching my head because I think I'm going to have to put a little bit more money into it. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this. Team Associated DR10 electric drag race car. This is a 1/10 car, two-wheel drive, of course, electric, on road, pre-painted body, 2.4 gigahertz radio, and it is ready to run. This is some of the specs and everything. I'm not gonna go over all that. You guys probably have seen these 100 times. We're just gonna go ahead and open this thing. Alright, we have the manual and some more parts here, like some stickers. This is the wing, so we got to get this attached. We have the radio and the car. Alright, we have the radio. This is the XP120. It's a ready run radio. I really want to change this out, but I think the class that we're running, I can't change it. But I might step up to the, I guess it's the Outlaw class. Not really sure yet. So it has all your standard stuff. Steering, throttle, I don't know what the DR is. I'll find all that out later. The trim, I guess it's dual rate, I'm assuming. And you can reverse the throttle and the steering, of course. And now to the car. Very nice looking, very, very nice looking. Been looking at these for a while, guys. Finally took the plunge because they do have some stuff that they're doing around here. We're gonna go ahead and take the top off. Or body. Really simple setup here, guys. Two-wheel drive. Stock. All this is stock. This is the SCX 600 BL. This is a brushless setup as well. There's your motor right here. I can't tell which one it really is, but you guys will be able to see the specs in the description. Really, really simple. Not anything over the top. Nice wheelie bar here. We're gonna pop a battery here, just test this thing out. This is not the battery that I'm gonna use. This is one of the ones I do have. The radio does require 4 AA's. Pretty sure I'm gonna end up going with some shorty packs. Not really sure. I just need to see what position I'm gonna want that battery in. So the whole thing's a little slow. Of course, that's probably one of the things that will get upgraded. Not anytime soon though, guys. I've got so many other projects that I'm working on. Yeah, it does seem real slow. Now that we got this tested out, we're gonna go ahead and get the wing on the back, spoiler, I guess you may want to call it. Simply goes on by these nuts and bolts. No problem whatsoever. Really easy. I'll show you guys once I get done. Alright, guys, so I did get everything together. I went ahead and got the wing on. I actually adjusted the wheelie bars as well. And I did notice, I think it was the bigger wheels that it actually comes with. I may change those out. But the only issue that I saw with this is this particular one, and this is just me right now looking at it. I hadn't really looked in the book or anything, but it doesn't adjust much further than that. Maybe it does. Let me know in the comments if it does. And the problem I foresee with that is once it kind of sit down in the back, I'm not going to have much lift as I would like for it to have. So I would rather for this thing to get up a little bit higher, you know, and I'd rather for it to pull the wheels and just go ahead and go straight. Just do a bunch of drag racing back in the day, and to me that worked a little bit better. So I would like, and it may adjust more, I just got to mess around with it, try to get the video done, but I wish it would adjust a little bit higher, because I would rather for it just to, you know, ride the wheels if need be. You know, once I get everything set up, and that way it goes straight. But other than that, that's the only thing I saw that I did not really like on this so far. And again, like I say, I'm just opening this thing up. It's just something I'm doing real fast. The guys are doing a box stock class, and they are changing these motors to the Spectrum setup, so you can run any ready to run motor. So you have these, you have the Losi, and you have the Traxxas. So some of the guys with the Traxxas, from what I see, they just changed the gears, but most of the guys that have been competitively racing these, they are actually changing out the ESC and the motor to the, I think it's the same one that comes in the Losi. I could be wrong, but they are changing those out. I'm thinking about just going with the Outlaw class because I can't stand using stock radio. So far, the only thing I really want to do is change out this radio. But again, we're running a stock class, and I understand why you have to use this radio. I don't like it because I don't have the tunability. This is a whole lot you can do with aftermarket radios, especially when you're dealing with these. A lot of experience in drag racing, and I know that radio is very important, being able to adjust that. Same way with the ESC and everything. And if I'm not mistaken, you can actually adjust the one that, the other one that you can get. I could be wrong. I'm not really familiar with those particular models, the Spectrum, whatever it is. I just like certain things. I like a certain way. So I'm thinking about going to Outlaw class. I got a friend, Jeff, that's into it. So you'll see his car as well at some point. He is going with, I told him about the Macklin, and I think he's looking at that, the DRK, I think it is. But he's looking at that, and, well, I don't want to give it set up. I'm thinking about doing something like that, but not right away, because I don't really want to use this radio. I know that's weird, but I like to be able to grab one radio, put a receiver in here, and I have everything on one radio. That's one of the reasons. Because I know me, I'll have my other radio. If we're going to do something, I'll forget this radio, and I'll take the one that I use all the time. The other day, I actually grabbed my Spectrum radio that I'm not using anymore as of now, but I'm really thinking about possibly keeping it and maybe going back with it. But this is a beautiful looking car, guys. Like I said, $199 right now on Amain. I will put a link below in the description. So guys, I appreciate you guys always tuning in, checking this out. You guys know who you are. I appreciate you guys jumping on the live. If you don't mind, hit that like button for me. For the guys that hadn't been subscribed to the video, to my channel, I'm sorry, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. But stay tuned for this, because we're going to be doing some pulls on it pretty soon. May even get some live ones out over the weekend. I don't know. It just depends. But until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.